Today, we're diving into the world of luxury with a focus on affordability. That's right, we're talking about the 8 cheapest Rolex watches you can buy in 2025-26. Rolex is the ultimate symbol of prestige, precision, and timeless style, but you don't need to empty your wallet to own one. From entry-level classics to hidden gems in the pre-owned market, we've got the latest prices and details to help you find your dream Rolex on a budget. So, let's jump right in. Just a quick heads up before we start, prices can vary depending on condition, market demand, and whether you're buying new or pre-owned. Let's get to the watches. Let's start with the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 28mm reference 276200. This is the smallest and most affordable watch in Rolex's current lineup, making it a fantastic choice for anyone who loves understated elegance or has a smaller wrist. The Oyster Perpetual is the foundation of Rolex's legacy, with roots going back to the original 1926 Oyster, the world's first waterproof wristwatch. This little beauty is crafted in oyster steel, Rolex's signature 904L stainless steel, which gives it incredible durability and a polished shine that catches the eye. Inside, it's powered by the Perpetual Caliber 2232, an automatic movement that's chronometer certified for precision and boasts a 55-hour power reserve. You can choose from a range of dial colors from classic silver and black to vibrant options like pink or turquoise, which add a modern flair. The watch comes with a comfortable Oyster bracelet featuring flat 3-piece links and a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal for crystal-clear readability. What makes this watch so affordable is its time-only design. No fancy complications like a date function or precious metals here. As of May 2025, you can pick up a new one from an authorized dealer for around $6,500. If you're shopping pre-owned, you might find one for as low as $5,800 to $6,200, depending on condition and whether it comes with a box and papers. This watch is perfect for first-time Rolex buyers, women, or anyone who wants some minimalist, unisex look that works with everything from a suit to jeans. Next up, we've got the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 31mm reference 277200. This watch steps up the size just a bit, offering a touch more wrist presence while still being one of Rolex's most budget-friendly options. Like its 28mm sibling, it's part of the iconic Oyster Perpetual family, blending classic Rolex heritage with a modern, youthful vibe. It's crafted in the same oyster steel for that durable, polished finish, and it's powered by the same reliable Caliber 223 movement, delivering top-tier accuracy and a 55-hour power reserve. You've got plenty of dial options to choose from classic black and silver to spice things up with bold colors like bright blue or coral red, which are especially popular with younger collectors. The Oyster bracelet keeps it secure and stylish, and with 100 meters of water resistance, this watch is ready for everyday adventures, even a dip in the pool. Its affordability comes from its simple, time-only design and stainless steel construction, which skips the cost of gold or extra features. In 2025, the retail price for a new one is around $6,800. On the pre-owned market, you can find these for $6,000 to $6,500, especially if you're okay with a model without box and papers. The 31mm size makes this watch super versatile, fitting both men and women, and it's a great entry point for anyone looking to join the Rolex Club without dealing with long wait lists. Moving on, let's talk about the Rolex Oyster Perpetual 34mm reference 124200. This mid-size option is a favorite for its perfectly balanced proportions and classic Rolex style. At 34mm, it's made of oyster steel, giving it that signature polished look and durability. What sets this one apart is its movement, the Caliber 3300, a newer automatic movement with an impressive 70-hour power reserve and enhanced efficiency. You've got plenty of dial options to choose from, including silver, black, or vibrant colors like green or blue, all paired with a smooth bezel and a minimalist style for a clean, professional vibe. The Oyster bracelet comes with a folding oyster clasp for security and comfort, and like all Oyster Perpetuals, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters. Its affordability comes from sticking to stainless steel and a time-only design, avoiding the cost of complications or precious metals. A new one will set you back about $7,000 in 2025, but on the pre-owned market, you can snag one for $6,200 to $6,800, making it a fantastic deal for a modern Rolex. The 34mm size gives it a slightly vintage-inspired feel with all the benefits of modern craftsmanship, making it a great pick for everyday wear. Now let's dive into the vintage world with the Rolex Air King 34mm reference 14000. This discontinued model from the 1990s is a fantastic option if you're shopping pre-owned. The Air King was designed with aviation in mind, offering a clean, easy-to-read dial that pilots could rely on. At 34mm, it's crafted in stainless steel with a smooth bezel, giving it a sleek, understated look. Inside, it's powered by the Caliber 3000, a robust automatic movement with chronometer certification for precision. You can find dials in blue, silver, or black, often with baton or Arabic numerals for a touch of personality. The Oyster bracelet adds durability and comfort, and the watch carries a proud aviation heritage inspired by Rolex's history with pilots. What makes this watch so affordable is its discontinued status and simple design, which keeps prices low on the pre-owned market. As of 2025, you can find a pre-owned Air King 14000 for $4,000 to $4,700 at trusted retailers like Swiss Watch Expo. This watch is perfect for vintage enthusiasts or budget-conscious buyers who want a Rolex with a story to tell. It's a great conversation piece for any collection. For those who love true vintage charm, the Rolex Oyster Date 34mm reference 6466 is a hidden gem. Produced from the 1950s to the 1970s, this watch is one of the most affordable Rolexes you can find today. At 34mm, it's crafted in stainless steel with the smooth bezel, giving it a classic retro look. What makes this watch special is its manual wind movement, either the Caliber 1210 or 1215, which connects you to the traditional art of watchmaking every time you wind it. The dials come in silver, black, or champagne, often with applied indexes for a touch of refinement. You'll also find a magnified date window at 3 o'clock, a rare feature for budget-friendly Rolexes. You can pair it with an Oyster bracelet or a leather strap for a different vibe. Its affordability comes from the manual wind movement and its vintage status, especially if you're okay with a watch in good but not pristine condition. On the pre-owned market, you can pick one up for $3,000 to $4,500, making it one of the cheapest Rolexes out there. This watch is a dream for collectors who want a piece of Rolex history with hands-on experience.
Another vintage gem is the Rolex Air King 34mm reference 5500. This model, produced from the 1950s to the 1990s, is a cornerstone of Rolex's affordable lineup. At 34mm, it's made of stainless steel with a smooth bezel, offering a minimalist design that's perfect for everyday wear. It's powered by an automatic Caliber 1520 or 1530, known for its reliability and precision. The dials come in silver, black, or occasionally rare variants like the Domino's pizza dial, though those can fetch much higher prices, around $17,000, so steer clear if you're on a budget. The standard models come with an Oyster bracelet for a sporty but refined look, and its aviation-inspired heritage makes it a favorite among collectors. Thanks to its long production run, there are plenty of pre-owned options available, and its simple design keeps costs down. In 2025, you can find a pre-owned Air King 5500 for $4,000 to $6,500 with well-preserved examples on the higher end. This watch is a great pick for anyone who wants a vintage Rolex with timeless appeal and a nod to aviation history. If you're after a touch of elegance, the Rolex Lady Datejust 26mm reference 69174 is a fantastic choice. This women's watch combines stainless steel with white gold for a luxurious yet accessible look. At 26mm, it's perfect for smaller wrists, and its automatic Caliber 1235 movement includes a date function with a Cyclops lens at 3 o'clock for easy reading. The dials come in silver, champagne, or with Roman numerals for a classic touch, and the fluted white gold bezel adds a premium flair without the full gold price tag. You can choose between a Jubilee or Oyster bracelet, both offering comfort and style. What keeps this watch affordable is its smaller size and two-tone design, which is less expensive than larger solid gold Datejusts. On the pre-owned market, you can find one for $4,000 to $5,000, depending on condition and accessories. This watch is ideal for women or anyone who loves a compact, elegant timepiece with a hint of luxury. Wrapping up our list is the Rolex Datejust 36mm reference 116200. This modern classic is the most expensive on our list, but still a budget-friendly way to own an iconic Rolex. The Datejust is legendary for its versatility and timeless design, making it a go-to for any occasion. At 36mm, it's a universal size that suits all wrists, and it's crafted in stainless steel with a smooth bezel for an understated, elegant look. Inside, it's powered by the Caliber 3135, a robust automatic movement with a date function and that signature Cyclops lens at 3 o'clock. The dial options include black, silver, or blue with baton markers for a sleek, professional vibe. You can choose between an Oyster or Jubilee bracelet, both offering comfort and style. What keeps this watch relatively affordable is its stainless steel construction and lack of precious metals. In 2025, a new Datejust 36mm retails for around $7,550 USD, but on the pre-owned market, you can find one for $6,500 to $7,200. This is the quintessential Rolex, versatile, prestigious, and ready to elevate any outfit. And there you have it, the 8 cheapest Rolexes you can buy in 2025 to 2026. From the vintage charm of the Oyster Date 6466 starting at just $3,000 to the modern elegance of the Datejust 36mm at $7,550. There's a Rolex out there for every budget. The pre-owned market is your best bet for scoring these deals, but always buy from trusted sources to ensure you're getting the real deal. Which of these Rolexes is calling your name? Let us know in the comments below and tell us if you'd like a deep dive into any of these models. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more luxury watch content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep ticking in style. See you in the next video.